Here's how the system works. Wastewater enters the system through the inlet valve. Once inside the system, the new incoming wastewater combines with the existing wastewater in the drive loop. The combined stream enters the top of the housing and flows through the stator, which directs the fluid downward into a helical motion. The motion turns the rotor that is connected to the brushes. This results in an active brush cleaning process. At that point, fluid that passes through the screen exits the system via the filtrate outlet. The filtrate fluid will only contain particles that are small enough to pass through the slots in the filter screen. The fluid that does not flow through the screen is pulled into the drive pump and sent back to the combined inlet to go through the filter housing again. This fluid contains particles that were rejected by the screen. The system continues to concentrate particles in the drive loop that are too large to pass through the screen. This concentrated discharge then exits the system through the concentrate valve at either a constant flow rate or a periodic interval. Accelerated filtration, redefining fine particle filtration.